Hello and guys, welcome to my channel Live Tips and Tools, and in this video I am talking about which flight controller should we choose for the beginners. It means which flight controller is better for those person who are building their quadcopter at the first time. So this video is very important for the beginners, so watch carefully. So guys, in a market, KK and APM 2.8 flight controller are very popular, and for a beginners, it is very hard to choose that which flight controller is better. They always think that our quadcopter will fly or not. So this video is very important, and I want to say that when I build a quadcopter, then at first I had used KK and then APM 2.8 flight controller, because KK is a program flight controller and APM is need to be programmed. It means for you cannot need any kinds of things to program KK, such as computers, so it makes the person easy. So I had also used KK flight controller at the first time, and I had fly drone, and I know many things about the quadcopter, that what is the speed value and what is calibration and many things. So I recommended all the persons to use the KK flight controller while building the first drone. So after that I had used APM 2.8 flight controller. So after using the APM 2.8, I had know many things about the sensors and many more. It means many flight modes also, altitude hold mode, the GPS, how to give a missions and many things. It is very interesting. So I recommended that if you are building a fast drone, then you can use a KK, because you cannot need any kinds of computers and many more knowledge. Just do a settings and ready for fly. So I recommended to build use a KK flight controller while building a fast drone. So if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.